I woke up to my phone alarm this morning. Nothing unusual, except I never set one. So I checked the clock app. There was an alarm scheduled for 2:61 a.m. Not 3:01, not 2:59, 2:61 a.m. A time that doesn't exist. I thought it was a visual bug, but the alarm history showed it had already gone off. Then I checked the label. It wasn't called wake up. It wasn't called alarm. The label said, "Don't answer the call." I deleted it immediately. A few hours later, I got a phone call from an unknown number. The call arrived at exactly 2:61 p.m. My phone displayed it normally, like that time actually existed. I declined the call, but a voicemail appeared instantly. The recording was only 3 seconds long. It was my own voice, and it said, "You should have answered."